Hi, Stefan Swartling here from Swartling Network. This weekend I did my own cloud storage using the service BitTorrent Sync, and it was an excellent service to do that. I had my 11-inch Macbook Air connected at home to my HD TV as a media center nowadays, because I use my iPad instead of computers. But to that MacBook Air I have a lot of external hard drives connected to it. So I thought, why not use all that storage with BitTorrent Sync instead? My MacBook Air is always on, so I can get to it from my home when I want to and so on, so I can get to all my files and so on. But with BitTorrent Sync I can do the same, but from anywhere in the world using my mobile data instead. And it's very easy to set up. You just choose which folders you want to get to from any of your devices, and when you have added those folders into BitTorrent Sync on your Mac or Windows PC, then you get the possibility to share a link to that folder by email, or by using a QR code, or by typing in a long string of code on that device you want to use. So I just share these folders I want to use on my iPhone and iPad by email, and when I get that email on my iPhone and iPad, I just click on that link and that folder gets added to the BitTorrent Sync app on my iPhone and iPad. And the best thing with BitTorrent Sync is that you don't need to have all these files stored on your iPhone and iPad that syncs with a computer. You can choose to have them stored on your Mac, and then when you use your iPad, for example, you can choose a specific file and download only that to your iPad or iPhone. So you don't need to download all files to have them in sync and so on. You choose which of these files you want to download to your iOS device. That's pretty nifty. So basically that means that I can share my complete Mac through BitTorrent Sync, and then open my complete Mac on my iPhone or iPad and choose which file I want to download to my iOS device, and use that in any of the apps that supports that file format. So I can basically share movies, music, books, text files, anything really, and open them on my iPhone and iPad. And BitTorrent Sync is totally free. You can install it on Windows PC, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS. So you can have it on all your devices and be totally in sync with each other. That's kind of amazing. So I actually downgraded my iCloud account from 200 gigabyte down to 20 gigabyte, because now I have limitless storage through BitTorrent Sync, and my external hard drives connected to my Mac. So I don't need 200 gigabyte of iCloud storage anymore. So all my short video clips that I had on iCloud Drive and used in iMovie on my iPad, I have now stored on my Mac instead, on an external hard drive, and I can download it to my iPad when I need to. That's pretty nifty. And here is a step-by-step guide to how to use BitTorrent Sync. And as I said, it's very easy, so you don't need this guide really. But I will link to this guide too down below in the description text, so you can read it and see how you do this. And it's very easy, as I said. Here you can see you can share the link to the folder you want to use by email, copy the link, or use a QR code. So if you, for example, choose the QR code alternative, you just open the BitTorrent Sync app on your iPhone, for example, and the camera opens and you focus on the QR code on your Mac display, and It's very fast. A few seconds after that you have the folder activated on your iPhone or iPad. It's very fast. And it's fast on the email way doing it too, because you just click on a link and add it to your BitTorrent Sync app. So you can use this guide to set this up. It's very easy. I will link to this guide too in the description text. Go check it out. So I can highly recommend trying BitTorrent Sync, and it's very fast to transfer files because it uses the BitTorrent technique, the BitTorrent kind of way to share and transfer files. So it's very fast. I will put the link down below in the description text. Go check it out. Okay, bye.